Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. Today I am making salad, the most important part of a low carb diet. Not to have rice, but to have salads. You are going to learn a new technique today of how to make your salads last much longer by using mason jars. Like we are fixing the jars, the mason jars, where we will input all of the salad components. With the most waterous ones, these are the ones that go at the first layer. This is a cucumber, and this is how I do it. See this? So these are really long types of cucumbers. I cut them off so it's easier to
They're
peel.
English cucumbers.
They're English cucumbers. I'm using this. Is my favorite peeler. It's only from the dollar store, but it works really great for me. So you peel it this way. Say hi, Monica. I'm here at my daughter's house in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and we're doing the salads because everybody's getting rid of sugars in their body. It's a healthy way to eat. So this is how I do this. I half it like this, and then I'm supposed to pour it as per instruction by my daughter. I'm using a spoon like this. See, that's how you do it. And then after that, you half it again. And then you just slice them up like that. So I'm going to try and drain this initially in a strain. Yeah, it will. You might think it doesn't have water, but it's very waterous, and it will have a little bit of water come in out from there. Health benefits of cucumbers: very low calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Has antioxidants for increase in hydration. May even lower blood sugar. Promotes regular bowel movements. Because of high water content and fiber. Thus can improve digestion and better gut health. High in vitamin K to promote bone health. The silica in cucumbers can promote production of collagen that can prevent hair loss and promote brighter skin. So that finishes up the cucumber. This is our next component. These are not cherry tomatoes, they're bigger, so it has a different name. I'll tell you later. I'm gonna slice the tomatoes in half, but I'm thinking whether I should take out the seeds. Maybe I will, because my kids are having some kind of inflammation in the feet and legs, so maybe I should take out some of the seeds. Tomatoes are low in calories as well and provide vitamin C and potassium. Rich in lycopene that provides the red color, can reduce the risk of heart disease and even cancer. So I'm taking out some of the seeds, not exactly all of them, just those that I can reach onto, just to remove some of the seeds and the juices that may make the salad soggy. See, just small portions of the can you see that? See, just those that are visible. I'll just remove those on top, just a little bit, so the juices don't come out, and then we reduce the effect of the seeds of the tomatoes. Tomatoes can aid in weight loss because of the high fiber content and because they are low in calories. Lycopene in tomatoes can treat cell damage and also skin inflammation. The vitamin C can improve hair health and is also very important during a woman's pregnancy. Lots of vitamin C in tomatoes. And if you're a smoker, you must eat a lot of tomatoes because they have that vitamin C that can counter the effects of smoking. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamin A that can really improve your eye health. The chloride content in tomatoes can help in good digestion. Tomatoes are rich in iron, vitamin C, and E, which can relieve diabetic symptoms. Tomatoes help in the prevention of the formation of gallstones and urinary stones as well. Tomatoes enhance your immune system and help reduce inflammation. And so now we're ready to put in the tomatoes. So we scoop them up and put them all in the jars just like this. So now we go to the next ingredient, which is to julienne these peppers, bell peppers. First we wash. Bell peppers are best eaten raw, and the red ones are the ones that have the most nutrition because they have stayed in the vine longer. They contain capsaicin that help reduce inflammation and even pain. Bell peppers are packed with vitamins A and C, great antioxidants, together with lycopene. Also has vitamin B6 and folate. Eating red bell peppers can help give you healthy night vision. Anthocyanins in peppers can provide good brain health, can relieve arthritis, can also help the colon be healthy, can reduce the risk of cataract. The iron and vitamin C can most likely reduce the risk of anemia. Because of the anti-inflammatory contents of peppers, they are helpful in preventing chronic diseases. Eating peppers may help prevent memory loss and may help reduce the risk of diabetes.
Let me see what you have. Wow! So many trucks in there. Look at those. Do you see those? Wow! That's my baby Jude. So this is how it will look like. And these are really pretty crunchy. Very juicy and very crunchy. Really delicious. I'm slicing them up into something like a julienne, but not so long. These are very large ones, so I try to make it into 1 inch to 1.5 to 2 inches long strips. Really crunchy. I'm getting rid of the seeds because we don't want to eat those for an increase in uric acid, as we all know.
Preparing for the 8-in mason jars, maybe it takes 2 hours. I'm using my hands now. They're clean, don't worry. My little Apo is holding on to his microphone. Can you sing me a song? Can you sing me a song? Okay. Wow. Wow. So, use my hands. One scoop each. Yeah, 1 scoop each. Yeah. Sing happy birthday to you. Can you sing happy birthday for Lola? Can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Can't hold on to too much. What are you singing? What are you singing? Happy birthday song?
Raspberry. Open. Get spoon. Yeah, get spoon.
So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces. So each piece will go into 3 containers. Is that correct? Because I have 18. So that's correct. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So I will try to put the same parts and the same number of parts in each container. So for this one romaine head, I will use this for 3 containers. So I cut off the edges and I will cut them into like maybe 1.5 here on these parts, and then getting bigger here 2 inches, another 2 inches. So I put this in to dry it out so that I can
remove the excess water in them. One way, and then another way, and then do it another time, just to make sure. And then last chance. There you go. Okay, that should be fine. And so I will distribute this into these three. Distribute them here, so like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like so. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. More or less of the same points. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm dividing it very fairly amongst all the jars. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because there are hard parts and soft parts in this thing, and I don't want one to be eating all the hard parts and another one to be eating all the soft ones. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And so I think that is a division that is quite fair amongst all the jars. And I'll be doing that for all the rest of the jars. And after we're done, we seal it with this tightly sealed containers. But first, I want to check if there's water under. No, there's none. So, okay, so we finished 1, 2, and, I know, but I don't use it. I'm more used to just, because it's good enough, it can catch my voice quite nicely. So, that's it. And later I'll show you how we mix the sauce. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.